Oh, isn't this nice? So quiet, I could just lie here all day.
Oh, no. Open your drapes! Open your drapes!
So glad we got adjoining rooms.
The sun is out!
Hey, remember when I had corneas?
Okay, listen, you go down to the pool and reserve the chairs, and I'll get the magazines and the lotion.
Ladies, Ross's speech is in 45 minutes.
Damn it!
Walls are pretty thin, guys.
Then we have to weigh the data from recent MRI scans and DNA testing, which call into question information gathered from years of simple carbon dating.
Look at that woman sitting out by the pool getting tan. She's all leathery and wrinkled. I'm so jealous!
Finally, factor in the profusion of new species recently discovered. Giganotosaurus, Argentinosaurus,
Not to mention Coldsaurus.
and that's just the herbivores. I'm not even going to discuss the carnivores. Their heads are already too big, which is ironic considering their stunted cerebral development.
Really?